I'm Jonathan Rosen. I'm a senior product manager at FINCAD, where we help solve complex pricing, valuation, and risk problems for our clients. So in the UK, we have a nice starting point with Andrew Bailey's speech on behalf of the FCA. And this really kicked off the whole Libor transition in the minds of basically the global markets and regulators. What's been decided in the UK is that we need these transparent, transaction-based rates to replace Libor, and we're going to select SONIA, which is an overnight rate. And it's much different than sterling Libor, which is a forward-looking term rate, but nonetheless it has the right properties to replace Libor and be a better economic benchmark. While SONIA has been around for some time, it's fairly well established, so we're all used to discounting on SONIA, for instance. Now we need to incorporate it into the future of forward rates. There have been some additional instruments that are trading SONIA, like SONIA futures on a short-term basis, so we are seeing steps to robustify the SONIA benchmark on a forward basis. And so the idea is that we can build forward curves, imply forward rates for compounded SONIA, and then use those as the new floating rate benchmarks in our derivatives, our cash products like bonds and loans. This will happen in various stages. So the first stage will be taking the Libor-linked products, and when certain trigger conditions are met, fallbacks are there to take effect, which will, in the terms and conditions of those contracts, replace Libor with compounded SONIA, for example. And then on a more forward-looking basis, we'll get new products that just directly reference SONIA. And then possibly at some point we'll have new term rates. There are forward-looking term rates, a lot like Libor is today, and possibly those will be directly referenced in the next generation of products. If you have any questions or suggestions, remarks, please comment below.